Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. The ones that actually save you time instead of getting stuck under the sofa. All the robot vacuums I mentioned are linked below in the description under top 5 robot vacuums, so you can check the latest prices and deals anytime. Alright, let's jump in, starting with number 5. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Eufy Clean X10 Pro Omni, your set-it-and-forget-it cleaning buddy. This little beast packs up to 8,000 pascals of suction power, which is seriously impressive for a RoboVac. That means dust, crumbs, and stubborn debris don't stand a chance. That's the experience you get with the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo bundled with its official replacement parts kit. This isn't just a gadget, it's your new housekeeper on autopilot. With a massive 8,000 pascals of suction power, the X10 Pro Omni dives deep into carpets and glides over hard floors, lifting up crumbs, dust, and pet hair in a single pass. Then, when it switches to mopping mode, the included mop cloth step in to leave your floors looking freshly wiped, not just kind of clean. What really makes this bundle special is the built-in future-proofing. The replacement parts kit has everything you need to keep performance like day one. A roller brush with bristles and rubber to pull up embedded dirt, a brush guard to keep hair under control, 2 side brushes for edging along walls and corners, a washable filter to maintain strong airflow, and 2 mop cloths to keep that shine going. No last-minute scrambling to find parts online, no guessing which accessory fits. Everything is ready in the box. Over time, brushes wear out and filters get clogged. Instead of waiting until cleaning quality drops, you'll have fresh parts on hand to swap in and keep your robot running at full power. It's smoother, quieter, and more efficient day after day. If you want your robot vacuum to be more than a short-term novelty and instead become a long-term cleaning partner, this X10 Pro Omni plus official parts kit combo is a smart, practical upgrade for your home. Clean floors, less hassle, and peace of mind, all in one package. At number 4, we've got the Roborock QV35S, and this one is all about raw power and minimal maintenance. It comes with a multifunctional dock that takes care of emptying, washing, and maintaining the robot for you, so you're not constantly messing with dustbins and dirty mop pads. That's the everyday reality with the Roborock QV35S Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is not just a robot vacuum. It's a fully loaded all-in-one cleaning system. With an incredible 10,000 pascals of powerful suction, the QV35S dives deep into carpets, lifts embedded dirt, and sweeps up pet hair like it's nothing. From fine dust on hardwood floors to stubborn debris in rug fibers, this machine doesn't miss much. But the magic goes way beyond vacuuming. The QV35S also mops your floors, and thanks to its smart design, it self-empties, self-refills, self-washes the mop, and even air-dries it. That means no dirty hands, no dripping mop pads, and no dealing with a dusty bin after every run. Just set your schedule, and it quietly takes care of the rest. Got pets? You'll love the anti-tangle brushes. They're engineered to reduce hair wrapping, so you're not constantly stopping to cut strands out of the roller. It's perfect for homes with dogs, cats, or long-haired humans. Combined with its precise navigation and smart path planning, the QV35S covers every corner with efficiency instead of wandering aimlessly. The sleek black finish blends effortlessly into modern interiors, and it looks as premium as it performs. You control everything from the app. Choose specific rooms, adjust cleaning power, or start a quick clean before guests arrive, all from your phone. If you're ready to upgrade from "I'll vacuum later" to "it's already done," the Roborock QV35S Robot Vacuum and Mop is the kind of smart home investment that pays you back in time, comfort, and consistently spotless floors. In the number 3 spot, we have a serious value hero, the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. This one is ideal if you want premium features but don't necessarily want to pay flagship money. With the Tapo RV30 Max Plus LiDAR, smart navigation, robot vacuum, and mop, your floors quietly take care of themselves while you focus on living your life. This powerful little machine packs an impressive 5,300 pascals max suction, giving it the strength to pull up dust, crumbs, and stubborn dirt from both hard floors and carpets. With a 97% plus dust pickup rate, it doesn't just do a quick pass, it delivers a deep, satisfying clean that you can actually see and feel under your feet. Thanks to LiDAR smart navigation, the RV30 Max Plus doesn't wander around randomly. It carefully scans your home, creates accurate maps, and moves in neat, efficient paths to cover every area. No pointless bumping, no missed zones, just smart, methodical cleaning. And when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock to self-charge, then resumes right where it left off. The self-emptying dock is a game changer. After every clean, the robot empties its dust bin into the dock, so you don't have to touch dirt for weeks. You also get mopping functionality, which means it can handle dry and wet cleaning in one go for sparkling floors with minimum effort from you. What really makes it feel personal is customizable cleaning through the Tapo app. You can create room-by-room schedules, set no-go zones, choose suction levels, and tell it exactly where and how to clean. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home, so a simple voice command like "Start cleaning the living room" is all it takes. If you want a robot that's strong, smart, low maintenance, and truly convenient, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is an easy upgrade to a cleaner, calmer home. Your floors will never be the same in the best way possible. Runner-up at number 2 is the super popular iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, the one that's basically famous for avoiding your dog's accidents. That's the everyday experience with the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 self-emptying robot vacuum. This clever little machine uses precision vision navigation to spot and avoid common household obstacles, things like socks, shoes, charging cables, and even pet waste. Instead of smearing trouble across your floor, it neatly works around it, making it a lifesaver for pet owners and busy households. The real magic starts once it docks. Thanks to the clean base self-emptying system, the Roomba J7 Plus can empty its own dustbin for up to 60 days. That means 2 whole months where you don't have to touch a dustbin, open a compartment, or think about vacuuming at all. Just set your schedule and let it quietly handle the mess. With smart mapping, the J7 Plus learns the layout of your home and builds a detailed map. You can label rooms, set no-go zones, and tell it exactly where to clean, like kitchen after dinner or living room before guests arrive. Over time, it even learns your habits and suggests personalized cleaning schedules, like extra runs during shedding season or after weekends. All of this is controlled straight from the iRobot app or via voice assistants. A simple command like "Roomba, clean the living room" is enough to get it rolling. If you want a robot vacuum that's truly smart, not just powerful, but aware of your home and your lifestyle, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus feels like a huge upgrade. Less babysitting, fewer disasters, and up to 60 days of hands-free, hassle-free cleaning. It doesn't just clean your floors. It takes vacuuming off your to-do list. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Roborock Q Revo, a true all-in-one cleaning system that feels like the future. No vacuum lines to push, no mop bucket to fill, because the Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum and mop has quietly handled everything while you relaxed. This is a true all-in-one floor care system, not just a simple robot. With up to 5,500 pascals of powerful suction, the Q Revo pulls dust, crumbs, and pet hair out of carpets and off hard floors with ease. Whether it's yesterday's snack trail or the dog's latest shedding session, this robot makes it disappear. Then come the dual spinning mops. Instead of dragging a damp pad, the Q Revo's mops actually scrub, rotating to lift stuck-on stains and leave your floors with that freshly cleaned look. Thanks to auto mop lifting, it raises the mops when it detects carpet, so your rugs stay dry while your hard floors get a deep clean in a single run. The dock is where the magic of hands-free really happens. It self-empties the dustbin, self-washes the mops, auto-dries them to prevent odor, and even self-refills the water tank. That means your robot stays clean, fresh, and ready, without you constantly babysitting it, worried about toys, chair legs, or random clutter. The Q-Revo uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance to smartly navigate around everyday objects instead of getting stuck or dragging things around the house. Wrapped in a sleek white finish, it looks modern and minimal, blending easily into any home. You control everything from the app, build maps, set schedules, choose rooms, or trigger a quick clean before guests arrive. If you're ready to upgrade from "I need to mop later" to "it's already done," the Roborock Q-Revo turns floor cleaning into something you barely think about, while your home quietly looks its best every day. And there you have it, the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. From the smart and budget-friendly Eufy X10 Pro Omni to the powerhouse Roborock QV35S, the value-pack Tapo RV30 Max Plus, the super smart Roomba J7 Plus, and the fully loaded Roborock Q-Revo, there's something here for every home, every floor type, and every budget. Which robot vacuum would you pick for your home, and why? Tell me in the comments below. I love reading your setups and stories. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and smart home picks, turn on notifications so you never miss the next roundup. And remember, all the vacuums we talked about are linked in the description under top 5 robot vacuums, so you can quickly compare prices and specs. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.